Today, we're looking at how to use social media to promote your next launch. This is Adam Stott, coach, and basically what he does is business coaching and training for businesses and entrepreneurs. And he uses social media, as you can see, very much as a way of showing what his masterclasses look like and how it would feel being involved. This is a little bit different. This is actually him being interviewed on TV about his business journey, which I guess the idea is to then inspire other business people, other entrepreneurs to want to come to one of his masterclasses. So for me, it's just a really, really good way of showing in a different way, I guess, how you can promote your next product launch or your next masterclass launch or your next training course is actually to show you publicizing it. So it might be that you've done a podcast on it. It might be that you've done a blog on it and you want to show the blog. It might be that you want to show some footage of one of your previous masterclasses, for example. But it's a really good way of, I guess, sort of showing and giving a bit of gravitas, I guess, to your training course. So obviously, if you have done any filming or anything at all for media, then please do talk about it and tag them in, etc. But it doesn't have to be as exciting as that. Sometimes it can literally just be you showing a previous masterclass and then talking about the future one.